Hello trader, I'm going to do a complete multi-time frame analysis on gold. Let's see what kind of trading opportunity currently we have in this instrument. Now from the lower time frame, we can see that gold is showing significant trading opportunity. Now before we discuss how we can trade, first of all, let's look at bigger picture, looking at the monthly time frame. Now from the monthly perspective, we can see that gold has created an all-time high. Yesterday we have seen the price has broken this all-time high, and then after creating an overextended market, gold has a strong rejection from the top. As gold has created this all-time high, there was a huge liquidity in that zone that has triggered. We can expect now gold to come down further for a deeper pullback. This is the monthly candle. What I think that gold even may come back down well below this previous resistance, which is turning support level, before moving to the upside again. Now if we look at the weekly time frame, we can see that gold showing initially a bullish move. Now the price is coming down after grabbing the liquidity from the top. If we look at the overall picture in the market, we can see that gold this week initially has broken this support level on the weekly perspective. This is the weekly support zone that has broken and created an overextended grab the liquidity, and the price has moved to the upside with a huge impulse that has created a new higher high in this market. Now at this point we see that this is the previous resistance zone, which is turning support. What I think that we could see initial drop to this support level, or at least some part of this zone that we could see on the lower time frame for a potential level, and then we could see that gold is going up again to create again new higher high. So from the weekly we could see initial drop and then later rise to the upside. Looking at the daily time frame to see potential trading opportunity. Now this is the daily candle that has created a long week candle, but we see the trend is still up. The momentum is still to the upside. We saw that after creating quite a few dodges here, grab multiple times liquidity, and then gold has bounced to the upside, created this daily impulse. If we take our Fibonacci for this daily impulse, we can see that currently gold just has crossed 38.2% Fibonacci level. We see that there is a 50%, which is just below the previous daily low, and also 61.8%, which is the golden ratio, also aligning with this previous resistance turning support. And we say that below this level there is the order block, the smart money area. If we level that zone, we could see that gold later today or next week we could potential drop a bit to the downside to break this low, grab liquidity, and then we can expect anytime again another bullish move to the upside. So monthly, weekly, and daily showing potential drop initially and then going up for another bullish move. So if we look at further lower time frame on the intraday, we see that there was a huge rejection from the top long week candle, and we saw that there's a short week candle has created. So a long week candle followed by a short week candle, series of lower high on the lower time frame has given gold a momentum to drop, and we see that there are a couple of zones now we can expect gold to test. This is the support here, and also aligning with this 4-hour 20 EMA, also an important level, which is the daily low. What I think that gold anytime later today we could see a test of this level, as gold has broken the all-time high. There was a trigger of the liquidity. We can expect now a bit more deeper drop, and I think that in that move even gold at some point to test this low of this zone. So for the time being on the lower time frame, we can expect gold to come down to test this level. Now if we look at further lower time frame on the 1-hour chart, we see that gold has broken the recent level of support here that we can expect to be retested as a resistance. This is the resistance here, which is turning support here, also turning resistance here, and from this zone we can expect a short-term drop on gold to the previous level of support. Now if we see that, as you can see, the price is now pushing high on the lower time frame for a retest. If we see gold has retested this level, this previous support down resistance, and has a significant rejection on the lower time frame, then only we can expect to go short on gold with a high probability trade setup with our students. Now, if you find value in this analysis, then smash the like button and also drop a comment below. Thank you. I'll see you soon in my next analysis.